Why you should buy Moka X-Music? The first reason, sound quality. Music lovers' main concern is really sound quality, and the Moka X-Music don't disappoint. It has a deeply rich and balanced sound with high clarity and crisp mids, and we're happy to report that the sound quality holds up even when used wirelessly over Bluetooth. The second reason, battery life. This is one area where these earbuds excel, and is one of the main reasons we had no problem recommending it on our best true wireless list. We spend a good portion of our time trying to objectively test the performance of headphone, which includes battery life. As you can imagine, accurately testing how long a product lasts can take up a lot of time. The third reason, design and comfort. Moka Electronics has a very distinctive style, and the Moka X-Music, for better or for worse, adhere rigidly to this aesthetic.